What is up, guys? I don't really know exactly what this I'm gonna call this yet, um, but this is gonna be a starting of a teachings on how to trade forex, the foreign exchange market. Um, None of this I claim will make you money. None of this is a definite yes. This is all done on a demo. Your losses and your mistakes are not my fault. Okay, they are not my fault. They are nowhere near. I will not be, giving out refunds or anything. Okay, so this is my teaching, and if it works for you, great. If it doesn't, I don't. I won't be refunding your money. So if eventually this is a teaser, and I will be paying monthly for this. So if if you love it and you share it and you want to, pay money for it monthly, go right ahead. I'm completely thankful for that you're gonna pay for it and share it with others. If you don't feel like this is something that you want to do, go right ahead and just close out of this video and just disappear and do your own thing, and whoever wants to make money will watch my video. But yeah, this is just a teaser, just a quick ad to get my everything started, so that way if anybody wants to try it out and see it, and if you like what you see, then you'll be able to check things out, and you can pay monthly for it. So, and then I'll make further videos. So right now we're looking at the Euro USD, and we're seeing that we have a lot of resistance at this price level right here. Okay, we're most likely going to see a rally right here up to these price points. So right now we just hit a new day with today's date. It's current time, things running, everything's live, so you have nothing to worry about. So where do I get these resistance levels? Where do I get these support levels? Well, you can see drastic support levels right there as price rallied down. Completely just bearish market. We were in an up and down, just back and forth, tug of war. We didn't know where the heck we were going to go. Same thing on the dollar. It's the opposite. So right now, these are support and resistance levels as well. We could see a little bit of a rally back up on the dollar, a little bit of retracement on the euro. I use the RSI feed as that's the only indicator I use. I use that. I use the Fibonacci for quick entries. I won't be able to show that. That is, it's copyrighted information. But RSI feed and everything else, is not. So when price is oversold, we can see here. Where does it go? It goes up. It goes up. Okay. Obviously, the move here for this is not always going to. They're not exactly like that big of a move. All right. It's the fact that the strength of the index is going to allow you to see, hey, price is going somewhere. All right. I prefer to get 30 pips out of the trade. You don't have to get 30 pips. You can get, a 50-cent trade with like 10 pips, and that's a little easy profit. It's nothing major. You don't have to worry about making like so much money. Money will get there. You just have to be consistent. So we'll see a little bit of retracement up, and then a rally back down. A little retracement down, go oversold, and then rally back up. And that's pretty much how I do it. And the support and the resistance levels work. I've been using them for the last couple, I should say weeks. I mean, I'm learning constantly. I'm still learning. If you're not a trader who likes to learn, you're just going to sit there in that one mindset, and you need to learn how to move out of that. So with this, I am going to, give you some information on how to necessarily trade. And like I said, if you want more and you like what you see, I'll be up to making I don't know exactly how much I'll charge. I'll probably do $50, a month, or $100 a month, really, per person, of course, for my services. And I'll have extensive videos of, how to, trade, and, when to trade, and, what pair is right for you. I've been strictly teaching only EURUSD, or trading only EURUSD. I started back in 2013 when I learned about this. 2015 I made a demo account. This is the same demo account. I've grown from like 17K in 2015, and then now my account went from 17K in 2015 to 284 in 2017. So really my account bumped, just jumped completely, and it's, you know, it's not like, oh, like, yeah, my leverage wasn't the greatest. It wasn't the worst either. You know, it's like 25, 50. They are pretty extensive high leverages, okay? I wouldn't recommend that on a real account. Yes, my account grew fast because of those high leverages, but it's not about how much money I made. It's not about how, like, my account grew fast, okay? It's the fact that I was consistent, okay, with each and every trade. It would have been less if I did a smaller lot size. It's not about that. It's how many trades did you consistently trade and make? How many trades panned out? My trades panned out, all right? So when I would, you know, constantly check the dollar, constantly check the euro, see on the RSI, see where it's going. You know, I'd look at these, I'd look at the previous day, see the resistance, see where price, didn't want to go and it retraced back from it, and then look ahead and go, wow, that price is going to then go back to that price. Okay? So we have the previous day's high and the third day's high because we're on a new day. 1, 2, and 3, third day's high. So we'll most likely reach up by this third day's high because, if you even see on the daily, we had a, huge, just look at this back then, like this was the other day. It's all this up and down action. They didn't know what the heck they wanted. Now we had a consistent drop, a nice, run down, and it broke. It broke all that. It broke all this crap over here, all this previous, last week's stuff. We even broke the week's low, but it completely destroyed most of these previous days that didn't have any traction. They didn't know where they wanted to go. But we had consistent traction in the last few days. From what I'm saying, I'm not saying definite it's going to happen. Okay, we're gonna see some traction upwards. We're gonna see a nice rally upwards, and we'll see price buy. And honestly, if you were a trader now and you were getting into this trade, you'd make, a pretty decent profit. But yeah, this is pretty much the beginning of this video. I don't really know exactly how, what I'm gonna call this. Chances are I might do, my YouTube channel is gonna be Real Forex 101. But yeah, just you can catch me on Twitter, at Real Forex 101. I think it's Real _Forex 101. You check me on Instagram, and see my Instagram and see the stuff I posted previously from I don't post consistently. I used to post a couple trades from my phone. I don't really do that anymore. Haven't done it in a while. I just decided to I've been trading for so long on a demo, and I have so much knowledge. I'm not trying to sell you like some Ty Lopez stuff or anything. I've been doing this since 2013. It's 2019. For the last 6 years, I would consistently just study and watch and do everything at night because nighttime is going to help you retain information. So I was consistently grinding and learning this stuff, and now that I've learned it and I've mastered it, it's not like I don't have a real account. Okay, I don't. All right, but yet again, you just got to be in the mindset of, look, money is money. You can't let it get to you. Just because you're making 10 grand doesn't mean you should cash out. What I suggest is while price is rallying or when price is selling, pull some profits, baby. You could take off 50 cents. You could take off like $10. You could take off $5. If you scale down, you have a high leverage and prices. So let's say right here, I got a high leverage on this trade right here. When price rallies above this buy stop, price keeps rallying. Okay, as price is rallying, before it hits even this price point, I will be taking profits off. I'm taking money off. Okay, this trade's gonna pull in about 10 grand. This other one's gonna pull about 10,500. They're both 35 lot size trades, and it's 35. That's 30 pips each. So the point is that when you see this, and you start to be like, I'm gonna wait till it gets all the way up here, and now I'm gonna cash out. That's my take profit. No. When yes, okay, having a higher lot size is going to allow you to make more money fast. but yet again, you need to pull money off of it. Okay, you just let your trade sit. That's what I did for the longest time. I would let my trade sit, right? And then we saw a little bit of retracement. Okay, you know, there's a lot of different factors. Price doesn't just go straight up. It's not just a magical, you know, like it's going straight up. One candle doesn't do that. It's a consistent number of candles, you know, every 30 minutes, 30-minute increments of each candle. So, price is going up. It gets close to my take profit, and before you know it, it starts to retrace a little. Okay? And then it goes up a little. And it never hits my take profit. And you're like, well, I can make this much money. Don't worry about the money. Worry about the pips. Okay? You're going to be making money with the amount of pips you can bring in. Okay? I used to do like about 15 pips a week or 10 pips a week. I made crappy pips. That's each point that you make. So each point is going to be a pip. Alright, well, it's not like each point. Okay? This right here, this one right here, that would be a pip. Alright? So when it goes up a couple points, 2 pips. Goes up a couple points, 3 pips. Okay? So with that, I'm sorry about that. I then will see that price is not going to hit my take profit, right? Price rallies, I'm right in that aspect. Am I right that it's going to hit that spot immediately in the next few hours? You know, you can't immediately always predict when it's going to happen, the exact time. Like, you'll be able to time it correctly and get in there and get a good trade, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's just that you have to see that you cannot wait your trade out. All right, you cannot wait it out. You have to pull some money off. And that's what I was saying earlier, you know, just a couple minutes, like about a minute ago. I would lose so much money. I'd put on like a $5 lot size, and before you know it, I'm negative like $2,000. You know, I was making a lot, and I kept it on. I was like, I'm going to hold on to it. Because I thought I knew what I knew. I thought I knew, like, whatever I was learning, whatever I knew it was going to work. The only issue was me not taking profits. That was the only issue. It wasn't the fact that I didn't know what I was doing. The price went up, or price went down. It went in my favor. It did what I said it would do. It's the fact that I didn't pull the money off, and with that, I was consistently losing. So I changed my mindset to where I was like, let me take profits off. And that is lowering your leverage. That is taking this $35 right here, and it is bringing it down to like a 50-cent lot size, which is not a lot of money. All right? It's not. Okay? $1 is 10. 50 cents is $5 a pip. Okay? So when you bring your price down, let's say you're making $10,000 and you took off half your profits, okay, with the $35 lot size. That's $1,750 still in that account. You're now in luck to be down at $5,000. You just made $5,000. You still have $5,000 you traded. That's going on. You still have $5,000 plus, you know. And if price were to still rally, you'd make like a couple more $1,000. Well, let's say, me personally, I completely cut the majority of the profits off as it's scaling upwards. And then before you know it, you look at price and you realize, I just made like 15K within the last, you know, couple minutes. And it just, it sits, you sit there and you wonder how, you know. It's because when you know, you can either add money to it, but that creates a new trade, and that start from that point on is that it's then going to show you that, hey, look, it's starting from here now. So if you were to buy here and then cut off your trade like up here or add to this trade right here, now the trade's going to start off here. So if price were to go below that point, like if your point was here, you lose money. Okay? Best thing to do is keep your price where it's at. As it scales up, cut off profits as it goes up. Before it even hits your take profit, you'll have like 20 cents left, and you'll make like $2 or $3, and you cut off. And then you go to your account and you're looking at it, and it goes, boom, you just made like $10,000. Because you took profits off. You were consistent. And when you do that, you can make money, and, you know, great things will happen for you. I know this is going to be a quite long video, but I'm wrapping it up now. So I'll catch you guys in another video. And don't forget, you know, good luck, guys. You know, good luck and good trading. See you in another video.